It's 2026, and if you are under 25, this video might be the most valuable video you'll ever watch because I'm going to break down 7 skills that every successful person have to learn eventually. Skill 1, communication. Most people's communication is either too vague to act on or too long to finish reading. Clarity isn't a personality trait, it's an edit. The person who can say something in 3 sentences instead of 10 gets taken more seriously every time. Skill 2, AI Multiplier. Learn to use one well enough that it makes everything else you do faster and better. Writing, research, editing, planning. The skill isn't knowing AI exists. It's knowing how to direct it so the output is actually usable, not generic. Most people either ignore it completely or use it lazily. The people pulling ahead right now are the ones treating it like a multiplier on their existing skill, not a replacement for having one. Skill 3, understanding the flow of money, not investing tricks, not budgeting apps, just the basic literacy of knowing how money moves, what comes in, what goes out, where it sits, and why. Most financial stress isn't about not having enough. It's about not knowing where it went. Skill 4, basic self-repair. Not become a handyman, just the instinct to try fixing or figuring something out yourself before immediately paying someone or asking for help. People who never build this end up outsourcing every small problem in their life, and it adds up. In money, skill 5, learn to disagree. Asking for a deadline extension, splitting chores, deciding where to eat. Most people either avoid the conversation entirely or turn it into a conflict. The actual skill is staying calm while stating what you need clearly. Skill 6, learning how to learn. Most people study the same way they did at 16. Reread, highlight, hope it sticks. It doesn't. Actual learning comes from testing yourself. Skill 7, reaching out to strangers. Most opportunities aren't posted anywhere. They come from someone you cold messaged who happened to reply. This skill alone opens doors that applications never will. You won't build all 7 this month. Pick the one that's costing you the most right now and just work on that one. If this helps, share it with someone who also needs this.